taking a video.
I'm not sure it's going right now.
Could I go underneath the one of the gas station pumps? I don't know. What should I do? Wow, look at this.
One went through.
That's freaking so. Oh my God, look how high the lake is.
It's been that way.
I just noticed that.
All our water is coming down from the lot.